In this video, we're going to calculate the z-score of each of the data points in our data files that we've been using up to now. The z-score is just the value minus the mean, all divided by the standard deviation. And so this first z-score program that we're going to write is pretty quick and easy, no problem. And the second one, we're going to learn something about string manipulation, so that's where I'm headed. So this first one's super quick and easy. We start with the mod_avg_std folder, and we make a copy of that, and we change it to zscore1. zscore_1 is what I called it. And then I go in there, I go into that folder, and I delete the executable and change the name of the C file to zscore_1.c. Then I double click on it, and it comes up in Xcode. There's only one thing we're going to do to change this code, and that's go down to the bottom below where we've calculated the average value and we calculated the standard deviation using the modular functions. And I'm going to make a for loop for I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and then I'm going to calculate the z-score of each of them. So z equals z sub I equals a sub I minus average, all in parentheses, divided by s. And then I'm going to print them out side by side. So I'm going to print out the data point and its corresponding z-score. I'm only going to do this for O10 because I only want to see 10 numbers. I don't want to see all 1,000 numbers or anything like that. Good? That's it. So that's the only change that we made to this program. And then I go back to the terminal. I cd desktop, then cd code. Then I cd into zscore_1, and I'm in the folder I need to be in. And then I compile the program and run it with O10, and then you can see side by side there's the A values and its corresponding z-scores. And you can kind of see, well, what's the average value is about a half, and so you can sort of verify that it looks like the z-score, and lo and behold, it works perfectly fine. That's it. That's all I wanted to show for this first z-score program. Coming up next is a little bit more interesting thing that we're going to learn about how to do input and output of data files.